In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Fibonacci Retracement tool on Binance. Whether you're new to trading or an experienced trader looking to fine-tune your technical analysis skills, understanding how to effectively use this tool can be a game changer in your trading strategy. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Binance app. Once there, head over to either the spot or futures section, depending on which market you're interested in analyzing. The Fibonacci retracement tool can be used in both sections, and it's fantastic for helping predict future price movements based on historical trends. Once you've selected your preferred market, the next step is to expand the chart area. This is an essential step as it will give you a full view of price movements and allow for more precise placement of your Fibonacci retracement. Simply tap on the chart area and it should expand, giving you a detailed view of the price action. With the chart now expanded, you're ready to access the drawing tools. Look for the icon that looks like a pencil or a ruler. This is your gateway to various charting tools Binance offers. Tap on this icon, which will open up a list of tools for you to choose from. Here's where the magic begins. From the list, select Fibonacci Retracement. This tool is based on the key numbers identified by mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci, and it's used by traders to predict potential retracement levels of price movements. Now that you've selected the Fibonacci Retracement tool, it's time to set your levels on the chart. Tap to choose either a swing low or a swing high point on your chart. Then simply drag your finger to the opposite point, either from low to high or high to low. This action creates the Fibonacci levels on your screen, which can act as potential support or resistance levels based on historical price movements. Once you've set the tool, you'll notice these retracement levels, such as 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618, appearing right on the chart. Each of these levels offers important information. Traders often use them to help determine where it's best to enter trades, exit positions, or set stop losses. For instance, these levels can signify where a pullback might end, or where a new trend may start picking up. Finally, take time to analyze these Fibonacci retracement levels. By doing so, you can identify key support and resistance levels that help you make informed decisions on your trade entries or exits. This tool, while simple to use, can add tremendous value to your trading strategy if utilized correctly. That's it for today's tutorial on using the Fibonacci retracement tool on Binance. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with this tool, the more adept you'll become at predicting market movements. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.